So hello everyone, today we will be solving this interesting problem from PRMO 2020. So the problem says a number n in base 10 is 503 in base b and 305 in base b plus 2. What is product of digits of n? So of course try it out first, and when you are ready keep watching the video. So I hope you have tried it out. So let me quickly introduce you that what exactly are these base. So for example, we write any number, we write it as 6 into 10 to the power 1 plus 9. Or when we write any number, we mean it something like this. Similarly, this number, we mean it something like this, which is of course this thing, of course. Right. So similarly, the numbers these guys have given, these are in base b. So we will be writing this as 503 as 5 times b square plus 3. Similarly, the 305 they have given in base b plus 2 as 3 times b plus 2 whole square plus 5. So now, of course, these two ultimately represent the same number, right? So we will have to, we will have to equate them and then evaluate b. Plug in b in this any of this one, then we will have n, and of course when we get n we can simply calculate the product of the digits. So just quickly do it. So of course 5b square plus 3 for us must be equal to 3 times of b plus 2 whole square plus 5, because these are both the same numbers, which is of course n, right? So when I simplified 5b square plus 3, now I will use the identity of a plus b whole square right here. So 3 times b square plus 4b plus 4 plus 5. So this part, of course we have no simplification right here, but in this part we have some simplification. So first quickly use the distributive property. So 3b square plus 12b plus 3 times 4 is 12, and we have additional 5 right here also. So let's quickly add it as well. So that's plus 17. So now I will take this whole part to this side so that I can get a standard quadratic equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c. So if I take this part to 3b square wala part to this side, then we will have 2b square right here. If we take 12b to here, we will have minus 12b right there, and 3, it is 17. If we take it there, then we will have minus 14, which is of course equal to 0. Now we will quickly divide this equation by 2, because we don't like we don't like the equations which don't have the coefficient of x square or b square right here as 1. So if we divide it by 2, it will be 6b square minus 6b minus 7 equal to 0. So let me scroll it down a bit. Okay, so I have scrolled it down. B square minus 6b minus 7, we have this equation. Now we can simply factorize it. So b square, we can write 6 minus 6b as minus 7b plus b, and it is of course minus 7. And now we can see here, we can write it as 1 times b minus 7, and we can write this thing as b times b minus 7. So if I write it b plus b times b minus 7 plus 1 time b minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we will use the distributive property, which will give us b plus 1 times b minus 7 is equal to 0. So b is either minus 1 or b is 7. Now an interesting property of bases is that the numbers we are using must be less than the base, because we see in our base 10 we don't use the digits more than 9. Digits, sorry, for the whatever. So of course minus 1 does not make any sense, because we are using 500, and of course minus base don't make sense in question like this anyways. So we will simply ignore this solution, and this is our main solution. So b is equal to 7. Now let's plug it in any of this. 5b square plus 3 was our initial number n. We can use this, or maybe we can use 3 times b plus 2 whole square plus 5. We will evaluate both to just confirm our answer. So that's 5 times 7 square is 49 plus 3, and this is b plus 2, which is 7 plus 2, which is 9. So 3 times 81 plus 5. If we evaluate this will come out to be 248 But if we evaluate this will come out to be 243%, 248 only. So yeah, we are right. So we have our number n as 248. Now simply we have to calculate this. I mean, I think I got. So now we have to just calculate it. The product of the digits, which is I think the easiest step right here, 2 times 4 times 8 is just 6. Okay. So 2 times 4 times 8 is just 64. So that's all for this question. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such fun problems. Thank you.